Hello guys, welcome with our new video. In this video we'll see about the history of cloud gaming. Some people don't know what is cloud gaming till the Google Stadia have been announced, and they are thinking it's the first cloud gaming server that have ever released it, but it's not. Since 2000 some companies have tried this cloud-based gaming technology, and some of them are succeed and some of them are didn't. In this video we can see that what are the cloud gaming servers that have released before this Google Stadia. So let's get into the video. In 2000, G-Cluster have introduced this cloud gaming technology at Electronic Entertainment Expo, and it's simply known as E3. But the original offering was cloud gaming service over Wi-Fi to handheld devices. First, this cloud gaming technology have been tried by Crytek for their game called Crisis, but it's halted in 2007 to wait until the cable internet providers were up for the task. And in March 2010, OnLive officially launched a cloud gaming server, and its service began in June with the sale of its OnLive micro consoles. And 2nd of April 2015, Sony Computer Entertainment had acquired OnLive's partners, and they are announced that. So OnLive have closed their doors in 2015. But in November 2010, SFR launched a commercial cloud gaming service on IPTV in France, powered by the G-Cluster technology. At the following year, the same year, Orange France unveiled its gaming service on IPTV based on G-Cluster technology. And first ever internationally, they have launched this cloud gaming technology, this cloud gaming service, a company called Gaikai, and they have launched this cloud gaming technology and cloud gaming server on February 27 in 2011 with some games like Dead Space 2, The Sims 3, Spore, and Mass Effect 2. And like that, Sony Computer Entertainment acquired Gaikai on July 2nd, 2012 for $380 million. And on January 7th, 2014, Sony announced PlayStation Now. And recently, Nvidia offered a cloud-based game streaming service called GeForce Now. And like that, the history of cloud gaming has been came. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share for more videos. If you want any other technical and gaming videos, you can comment us which is your favorite. And peace.